Good morning, students. This is class 9th math subject assignment number 3 for exam preparation. These questions are from chapter number 2 compound interest from exercise 2C and 2D. So Rajesh, similar questions are there, same concept. Like first question is a sum means principal is invested at compound interest compounded yearly if the interest for two successive years, two successive means the first year and next year, 5700 and 7410, calculate the rate of interest. Then rate of interest formula is given in your book. Difference between the interest of two consecutive means continuously for first year and next year, then divided by compound interest, CI means compound interest of preceding year, multiply by time, then into 100. So take the difference of 7410 minus 5700 divided by compound interest of preceding means previous year was 5700, then time is 1 year because time is successive year, 2 successive year means continuously 2 years, so difference between them will be 1 year, 1. So after calculation you will get 30 answer. Then question number 2, Mohit invest rupees 8000 for 3 years at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. At the end of 1 year, it amounts to rupees 9940, means firstly he invested 8000, then he got 9440. So we will have to calculate rate of interest, amount at the end of second year, then interest occurred in the third year. Then first of all we will calculate the interest. For first year, P is 8000 and amount is 9440 and time is 1 year. Then clearly interest will be amount minus principal. So after subtraction we will get 1440. So rate of interest formula we will have here, I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So we will have to calculate R, then we will cross multiply it. So 100 will go with I multiply by 100, then P and R will go with 1. This will give us R. So R is equal to I multiply by 100 divided by P into T. Then after putting values you will get 18%. Then for second year, principal here is amount is 9440, then this will be the principal for next year. So P is 9440, rate same, time is 1. Calculate interest by applying formula P into R into T upon 100. Then add into this, this answer will be added to 9440. We will get this answer. Now for this answer will be the principal for third year. So here we will take this as P. Again same process we will follow and find the answer. So students, all the questions are same concept is given to you. So try by yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.